Guys, it's time. I'm publishing my exact Bitcoin 2022 price prediction. And yes, guys, you won't only know after watching this video where the Bitcoin price will be at the end of the year 2022. No, you will also know where the Bitcoin price will be in between. So you will know exactly where we are in March, in December, in October. And no matter if you're trading or just hodling for the long run, I think this information shouldn't be missed by any person that is involved in the crypto space. I would even say that you should share this video with friends that haven't invested in cryptocurrencies yet to give them a new perspective on the potential that the Bitcoin price could have in the upcoming months. So guys, make sure to smash up a like on this video. Thank you very much for all of your support. At the moment when I'm recording this video, my last video just got 45,000 views after just one day, which is absolutely insane, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you everybody for subscribing, activating the bell. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. It's just amazing that I can share my information and my price predictions completely for free on my YouTube channel, and you guys can just give me feedback. We can talk about it and we all just have a great time. As you guys know, I don't use any affiliate links or any of that. I just really do the content because I'm doing YouTube since over 9 years, since I'm 12 years old, and it's just a massive hobby for me. But let's just jump right into the charts. As you guys know, we always repeat certain things out of the bull market we had in the past. And right now we actually have 3 bull markets now to look at. So we will use all of these 3 bull markets as reference to find out where this bull market will go in the near future. Also, not only this, but we will also take a look at the monthly EMA ribbons, at the weekly EMA ribbons. Also, we will take a look at our 11-year resistance, at our 8-year support and resistance, and at our trend channel and symmetrical triangles. So we have a lot of different things playing into this, and actually also the stock to flow model is playing into this a little bit. So guys, make sure, like I said, to watch the video till the very end so you don't miss out on any of my important information. So first of all, I want to explain one very important thing, because we have a little bit of interesting price movement that we hadn't had in the past for this bull run. And why is that? First of all, we had the big black swan event of the Corona dump. This we never had in the past for Bitcoin, so it's very possible that we would have continued this uptrend a little bit earlier already without this huge Corona dump. But also we had a massive pump and dump scenario in this area with Elon Musk and all this kind of stuff that happened. So we pretty much here also had a very unnatural price movement that was fueled by manipulation, or like I said, the whole Elon Musk hype, but we also had the same to the downside. So something that was manipulated or not manipulated to the downside, but the Corona dump just also had a big impact on the Bitcoin price. So now if we take this to account, we have to probably expect that this bull run without of all of this would have probably made a chart movement more like this, right? So we would have probably recovered a little bit earlier, but we wouldn't also have seen this extremely explosive move to the upside. So we would probably seen something like this rather than the price movement we had right now. So just keep this in mind for today's video. Even something like this would have been possible, right? This would actually fit a little bit more the past of the bull markets, where the bear market really just played along our upward sloping support line all the time, which was not the case this time. We saw like this huge dump, we saw a dump below the support, and so on. So let's not talk too much about that. Let's actually just keep this in mind for the later parts of this video. Let's now pull out my price prediction, and for this I will go to the 2 weekly time frame, because I actually haven't shown you those lines on my monthly time frame yet. And first of all, I want to reactivate 2 exact lines for the monthly time frame to show you exactly why I have them in the charts. Boom, boom, we are activating them, switching back to the monthly chart. And you can already see, guys, what exactly is this. These are actually the last 2 bull markets, as you guys can see. This top one with the peak above our upward sloping resistance line. This is our double bull market from the year 2013. This is this bull run over here. We can see we had this massive peak. We would blow above all resistance and resistances and top out at around 400k. This, I think, is an unrealistic scenario because we have diminishing returns with each and every bull market, so the returns get smaller, and I think blowing through the 11-year resistance and also our upward sloping resistance connecting the all-time highs on the monthly time frame is rather unlikely. But still, I will leave this line in the chart because we also have the last bull market over here. This also takes into account, like I said, without the Corona dump, it's very possible that we would have seen a price movement like this, right? And it would have been a little bit delayed. So this would then actually fit way better the last bull market or the development of the last bull market. So if we take a look here, we actually saw a massive pump if we compare it with the bull market right now, and we would top out at around $150,000 for the Bitcoin price in January and correct down even more. By the way, both last bull markets topped out in around January. But what we have to keep in mind is that each bull market actually starts to take longer in time. As you can see, this bull run was our shortest bull run. Then we saw the correction. We had also the symmetrical triangle. Then we broke out. We had this bull run. We had this bull run. And each and every single time, even if we let's say this bull run started here, each and every single time, the bull market takes a little bit longer. So if we take this now into account, we have to probably expect the Bitcoin price to top out somewhere in this area over here. This would be probably the area we would have to top out time-wise if this bull run again takes a little bit longer like the last bull runs. And I mean, for this now that we know where we probably will see the end of this bull market, and I mean, this is pure speculation, guys. We are just comparing the last bull markets with the current ones, and we're looking at support and resistance. But actually, this is the only thing you can do to predict something long-term, to look at the monthly time frame and see where we have resistances, where we have support, how did the Bitcoin price perform between those resistances and support levels in the past bull markets, and then we can get an estimation on where this bull run ends. So to be 100% honest, it's very possible that the top of the bull market actually for this bull run not comes in January or anything so early on. It's actually very possible that we see our bull market top at around 220k in around October of 2022. So we would see a price development a little bit below our current bull market probably, but with the high a little bit delayed, and then we would probably have a bigger correction to the downside, and then our next bull market would start around the early 2024. Our next bull run would probably then start. So we would have this big bear time in the year, 1.5 year bear market in the year 2023. And after that, we would see another leg up then to $1 million for Bitcoin. So this actually still will take a while till we see $1 million for Bitcoin, but this is actually my price prediction. And in between, for sure, in the next couple of months, we could go up to like 100k and stuff like this. But I think the real market top will actually take a lot longer than most people expect, just because every single bull market takes longer than the previous one. And I don't know why people are speculating that we just now shoot up here, end the bull market right here, and even have a shorter bull market in a kind of way. The bull market window would then be shorter than the bull market we had in 2013. So this wouldn't make sense to me. I think this bull run, since the market also is maturing, should then take longer as the previous ones, because there's more volume in the market, there's more institutional investors, more big investors that are not selling and buying so quickly. So I don't know why this bull run is expected to take a shorter amount of time than the bull markets before that. This is something I wouldn't expect, to be 100% honest, but we also know how it is. Sometimes just Bitcoin FOMO sets in and we completely blow through the roof, but I just want to be realistic. I also want to show you the best case and the worst case now, after I just showed you how I think this market will play out. Let's talk about the best case. The best case for sure would be we are reversing on the weekly time frame. I mean, I'm showing you this in my current videos all the time. We are reversing. We see this massive dump. We probably see something, a combination out of the last and the current bull, the two last bull markets. We see a run up to around 150K. This is our top. We start to correct down. We see a massive correction down to maybe like $45,000 again, and then we already start the next bull market, and we are already at a new bull market high at the end of 2024. This would probably be the best case. I just think it's a little bit too best case scenario for Bitcoin, and I certainly don't think that we will break this resistance line on the monthly time frame anytime soon. I think we would need then massive news, fundamental news to do that. So maybe we will have those news, but we cannot know yet. So right now we can just look at the charts. So probably we will top out at around 150K in a very short amount of time. This would be the best case in fast price gains. This wouldn't be the best case in all-time high that we would reach. But still, I think this would be a very big possibility. And then we would correct down and, like I said, just see the next bull run. And the worst case scenario is for sure that this bull run plays out completely differently. Like I said, every bull run takes longer than the previous one. So we would actually have more than enough time in the worst case scenario to correct now all the way down here, build up maybe something like a W pattern, and then just start to reach our all-time high. Then we would maybe top out at around 300K, and yeah, this could be the worst case scenario that I have in mind, that would actually predict that we will see our new all-time high as early 2023, and in 2022 we would more see a combination of a bull and second small bear market, to be honest. But this bad case scenario I think is a little bit unrealistic. I mean, you guys know what I'm looking at on the smaller time frames, and why I'm thinking that maybe a drop down to something like $23,000-$24,000 is still very unrealistic for the Bitcoin price. But like I said, if you want to stay up to date and want to know if this price prediction actually comes true, just make sure to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, leave a like down below, share the video with your friends, like I said. And other than that, I would really appreciate it if I see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.